Streptococcus pyogen group a beta hemolytic streptococci. Streptococcus pyogen organism are beta hemolytic streptococci possessing a group A Lancefield antigen. Streptococcus pyogen is one of the more virulent streptococcus species and is responsible for a wide range of clinical entities including pharyngitis, impetigo, bacteremia, and soft tissue infection. Sequelae resulting from the infection include rheumatic fever, glomerulonephritis, the scleral teniform rash of scarlet fever, and toxic shock-like syndrome, and necrotizing fasciitis. Direct detection strep pyogen based on the Lancefield group A antigen is commonly performed on throat specimen. There are several commercial kits available for direct detection of this antigen that have high specificity but very insensitivity. Therefore, especially with children for whom the incidence of infection and potential to develop sequelae are greater, it's recommended that negative direct antigen test be followed by culture. Alternatively, direct detection of strep pyogen by DNA amplification method is more sensitive than direct antigen detection, since in contrast to culture, the sensitivity of some DNA-based amplification assays is more than 90%. Culture confirmation is not required for negative amplification result. For culture, strep pyogen is commonly isolated using blood agar incubated in 5% CO2. Trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole can be incorporated onto the blood agar to increase the selection of strep pyogen. Antibodies specific for group A Lancefield carbohydrate antigen can be used to identify strep pyogens. Bacitracin susceptibility has also traditionally been used to identify large colony beta hemolytic organism. Here, bacitracin 0.04 bacitracin disc is applied to a lone-off organism, and the formation of any zone of emission is considered a positive result. Another useful rapid biochemical test for identification of strep pyogen is BYR test, in which the enzyme pyrrolidonyl aralamidase is detected. Matrix assisted laser desorption ionization time of flight mass spectrometry has also been shown to be useful in identification of strep pyogen. Small colony beta hemolytic organism can also process the Lancefield group E antigen. However, these isolates are classified as member of the very dense group Streptococcus anginos group. Small colony Streptococcus anginos and large colony strep pyogen group A streptococci can be differentiated biochemically in that strep pyogens is BIR positive and Vegas Prescour test negative, while the opposite is true of strep anginos. Serologically, tests are available to detect the host's response to group A antigen and the M protein, as well as extracellular product associated with strep pyogen. Streptolysine O, anti-streptolysine O test, and DNase B. These tests are used to aid in the diagnosis of patients with sequelae consistent with a past infection with strep pyogen. Sequencing of regions coding for the M protein, a main virulence factor of strep pyogen, can also be used to type strain in epidemiological investigation.